Let's just start and jump right in here with our dogs here on the tree. The first ones you see are our larger dogs. Now you're going to notice they're not breed specific, and this is really important for your customers. I'm a dog owner. I have a black lab and I have a rescue dog that I don't know what he is. He's kind of a mix of a little bit of everything. And so a lot of times our dog owners, our pet owners, like to be able to find something that they can relate to or looks a little bit similar to the dog. And so by having these neutral, not breed specific dogs, this is really good for your store because, you know, you can go, oh, I've got a light colored white dog, or I've got a little tan dog, or I have, look at this little dark weenie dog. I call him the wiener dog. I don't really even know if he's that breed or not, but he's just super cute. He's got his snowshoes on. He's an ornament. He's got his ski goggles on the top and his little red scarf. These are adorable dogs that we have here. Look at this one all the way up here. And he's on a sled. He's on a felted sled that's nice and soft, but he's just kind of a brown and white dog. You know, he's got his beanie red cap on and he is ready to go, and he's ready to go out and play in the snow. So we have a lot of fun playing themes going on here too. We've got a couple of ski boarders that are here. We've got some dogs that are on some snowboards, like this one's going to do some snowboarding. He's got that going. We got a downhill skier. We've got one of these old time, you know, kind of these older looking bells that have an actual wooden bell part on the inside. This is cool here in Ski Dog. A lot of really unique ornaments, but they're all fun. They're all having fun in the snow. Here's one I really want to point out, Avery, if we can get a good look at this guy. This is Santa doing a snow angel. He's out there doing a snow angel on this glass ornament. This is very unique, but very fun. When have you ever seen Santa doing his own snow angel out there in the snow? So this is a fun ornament to have. We've got an